Hello friends, I'm Darshan Kumar Das. Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shadow Whites. In one of my previous video, one of you have commented for the requirement of speech recognition using Python project and so used this video. Although that video didn't got enough reach, its reach is even lower than this video, and I don't know why my normal YouTube videos is getting lower reach day by day. What mistakes I made, I really don't know. If I made any mistake in this video, then please comment down below so that seeing your comment I can improve in my new videos. Anyways, although it didn't got enough reach, but one comment is enough to decide which video should I made first, and so is this video. So without any further delay, let's begin. So friends, for the project, at first you need to download the code zip file. Link to download the code zip file will be in the description below, which is this one. After downloading it, you need to extract it. So right click on extract to live speech recognition using Python. It's extracted. Now before going through the projects, let's open the folder. Here you need to read the instruction.txt because it contains the instructions of running the project. Let's open it. These are all the features that I have added. I have added 2 offline models, and also you can use the Google online model, and these are all the Python modules that you need to install. And okay, now here you need to take notes like what's necessary. Here you can see it's written Whisper models are large, small, medium, large, and require significant disk space. Basically, the larger model you use, the better recognition it will happen. But the thing is, if you use larger model, then your requirements, hardware requirements will be significantly higher. If you are using a basic laptop which is not having graphics card or not good internal graphics, then I would recommend you to use the smaller model of Whisper. Smaller model is also more than enough, I feel, and faster Whisper is recommended. Basically, you need to install this module as well along with this module. FFmpeg must be installed and available in the path for Whisper to process the audio files. Basically, you need to have FFmpeg or installed on your system. How to install FFmpeg, I have already made a video. You can watch that video. In fact, I have given the link to that video. Just tap here, then you can watch that video. And by the way, I have also given the link to download the Vosk models, Vosk models, which if you want you can use for this speech recognition project. And last but not the least, your system mic must be good enough to recognize voice. Basically, your laptop or desktop, whatever you use, your built-in mics should be good enough. If it's not good enough, then it will not be able to recognize the speech properly. If the mic is not good enough, then use at least a basic earphone which costs something around 100 to 150 rupees. So that's all the requirements you need. Now let's move on to the project. Now click here. You just need to select up to this here. Now Control C copy, and by the way, as you can see, it's here what I have written. If for any reason speech recognition PyAudio didn't got installed, then you can try this method, but for now I am going through this method only. So open cmd command prompt, open it. Now here just paste, it will install all the modules. As I have already installed, so it says its requirement already satisfied. It will take some few minutes to install all the modules. So it installed, already installed. I have just shown the process of how to install. Now open Ideally Python. You can use any versions of Ideally Python, but remember, use only one Ideally Python. Don't use multiple Ideally Python on your system because it creates a confusion, and sometimes in one of the version it may not work. So keep in mind, use only one version of Ideally Python. Don't install multiple versions of Ideally Python on your system. So okay, I am using Ideally Python, opening Ideally Python 3.12, even 3.10 or 3.11 is also fine, doesn't matter. Now click on file, click on open, and as I have downloaded in desktop, for your case it may be in downloads folder, but I have downloaded in desktop. So now you can choose any of these 2 models. One will show speech recognition without timestamp, one will show with timestamp. Reading this you can understand. For now I am opening this, which is saying live speech no timestamps.py. Then open. Okay, now press F5, the interface will come. Okay, so interface came. Now to start the project you need to click on start listening, but before that you need to select the recognizer. There I have integrated one online recognizer, which is the Google recognizer, and 2 offline recognizers. For this video I am showing one of the offline recognizer, which is this Whisper offline. If you want to see how to use the Vosk offline recognizer, then for that I will make a separate video. If you want, then I can make the video, otherwise you can try it yourself also. Okay, so now here I'm selecting base model, which is slightly better than this tiny model, so base model. And when I click on start listening, here in the status it will, after 1 or 2 seconds, it will say listening. At the time it shows listening, then only you start speaking and it will listen. The moment you stop speaking, the status will show recognizing. At that time, after few seconds, the text will come out. I'm showing the demo that how this works. So I've selected everything. Now I'm clicking on start listening. So this is my speech recognition project using Python. Thank you. Thanks for watching. This is how the live speech recognition system using Python project works. That's it. Thanks for watching. So basically this is how this project works. As you can see, it recognizes properly with some hit and miss, like this is not recognized properly, but anyways, this is how the system works. And if you use Google online recognizer, then it may be a better choice with but if you want to work offline, this is one of the best model I feel. And now you can save this as txt file. Just click on save transcript. While clicking on save transcript, you can also choose the area where you can save. As this project is in desktop, here you can save the project like this way, and see, it's saved in this way. So this is how the project works. So this is how the live speech recognition system using Python project works. And as I've said before the demo, that if you want to see how the other model works, then please comment down below. I will make separate videos for it. So that's it. So this is how the live speech recognition system using Python project works. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and find this video helpful, then please hit the like button. Like target is only 50. Please help me to complete my target. Also share this video to as many people as you can. And if I made any mistake in this video, then please comment down below. Seeing your comment, I can improve in my new upcoming videos. And if you haven't subscribed my channel Shadow Bytes, then please subscribe it and tap the bell icon beside it, and on the bell icon select all to watch latest coding tutorial videos before anyone else. And if you are having any doubt about any of my projects, then you can join my WhatsApp group. Link to join my WhatsApp group is given in the description below, from where you can join. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you soon in my next video. Until then, stay happy, stay safe. Goodbye.